Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shalonda. I create videos about lifestyle, DIYs, and organization. And if you've already been living life with Lon, then thank you for returning for another video. In today's video, I'm going to take 3 Dollar Tree pumpkins and show you how to turn them into something personal. Everything that I use in this video, I will list in the description box below, but I will do my best to try to keep you guys informed along the way. Pumpkin number 1 is going to be a farmhouse theme. So basically what I did was I took the pumpkin, I measured it in half, and using my Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant, I painted the top half. I chose white for the lower half because I wanted a bit of contrast. What colors are you guys using this year for your fall decor? Leave those in the comments below. Next, I went over to my silhouette to cut out the words welcome and fall. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready for fall weather. Sweaters, pumpkin spice, bonfires, candy apples, anything related to fall, I humbly welcome it. So I knew that I wanted to do my welcome in a full font and the word fall. I wanted to try a reverse technique where you put the application down and then you paint over it and then peel it off. Now, as easy as it sounds, it hasn't always been easy for me. But I saw one technique done by another YouTuber, and I was like, I really want to try it to see if it would bleed. So basically, you put your stencil down, you paint the base color that's already there, and then you put the color that you want on top of that. I was really pleased at the way it came out, and guys, it did not bleed. Next, I took some Dollar Tree wired burlap ribbon and I just made a very simple bow. If you guys would like for a more detailed tutorial, then comment below. So once I put the bow on the stem of the pumpkin, I realized the pumpkin was still pretty plain. So to take it to the next level, I applied some jute string around the pumpkin about 3 to 4 times. And here's how that pumpkin turned out. What do you guys think? Pumpkin number 2 is a non-traditional pumpkin. I used the color agave to channel my inner love for the color blue. Something else to keep in mind is that these pumpkins have a lot of glitter on them when they come from the store, so you may want to spray hairspray or cover the back with some type of wrapping. I used the color Elephant to go in and make some dimension to my pumpkin. Guys, when you're doing this, it's no right way to do it. You just kind of just go with it. Wherever the paint falls, just let it. And if you get too much of one color on there, you just go back with the primary color and then blend it out. So who already, without seeing the finished product on this pumpkin, is liking this pumpkin? Comment below if this one is a potential project that you will probably make. Now, what I'm gonna go in and do now is take a little bit of white paint. This is just a basic acrylic. And I'm gonna go and just do some variations to kind of give it a little more dimension because it was looking very plain Jane. I'm going to go back in and reattach those leaves that I pulled off. This little technique right here is going to take this pumpkin to the next level. It's very easy to do. I'm just taking a very fine paintbrush and I'm going around the edges with the white. And then I flip my paintbrush over and make 3 little simple dots to kind of give it a little extra pop. And here's how that pumpkin turned out. Now guys, I know some of you are wondering about the holes at the top. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to display this on a shelf or put it up on the wall. So that's why I left the holes open. Guys, thank you so much for sticking with me thus far. Next up is pumpkin number 3. If you like what you're seeing, then please consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on my social media at LIVINGLIFEWITHLON_. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you've already subscribed, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any other DIYs for this fall season. And guys, this is how that pumpkin turned out. So do me a favor, let's vote on these. Tell me which pumpkin you liked best. Is it pumpkin number 1? Maybe it's pumpkin number 2. Or could it be pumpkin number 3? Thank you guys so much for watching and living life with Lon.